from me, Francesca, and my Asia. It is here with me, even if you cannot see. Usually when I do my video speaking about meditation, energies, I'm surrounded by angels that are still here also today. But today, I have some more time because I am quarantined because I had COVID, so I still need to stay inside by myself. So I decided to do a video with this new friend that is maybe new for you, but it's not new for me. It is my dog Asia. She lived with me for about 10 years and she changed to be 8 years ago. I don't want to tell she left because she is always with me. I have always loved animals. There are dogs and cats in my life. But I want to spend some time today and the next days to speak to you about animals so that maybe sharing with you some information we can be able to understand them a little bit better. It's a lot of time they want to do something like that, but yeah, I couldn't find the time. But now I have the time, and this morning when I woke up and I could see her close to me, I said, okay, that is our day, let's do that today. And so that's what we are doing. So first of all, our animals, they have a soul. We know that they have a soul. I'm Italian, and in Italy we call them animals, and we call soul animals, so it's the same. So in Italian, the name animals means soul. That's not in English, but for sure, animals have a soul everywhere. And we love them because we feel that they love us and they give us love. This is what everyone says. So how can we help our animals? They are a gift. Universe gave us the gift of a dog or a cat or more than one. That's for sure, and we can only be grateful for that. But there is something more. Because when we decided to come here in this life, they were available and they decided to come with us like a gift. The small soul that said, okay, here I am, I want to go to the earth. And I choose this mother and this father and those brothers and sisters, and this lifetime I will be there. There are friends over there that say, I will come with you. So there are people that maybe we will meet when we will need. There are our songs that we will meet later. But there are also our animals that say, I will come with you. And when you will need, I will help you. I will help you to remember who you really are. Or I will support you. Or I will be just with you. So most of them choose to come, most of our pets choose to come to stay with us and help us. But also we can help them to do their path. Because we are here to learn the virtues. Our soul needs to learn, to improve. This is what we are here to do. And this is what they are here to do too. Some of them have already mastered all virtues and are just masters. But the most of them are here also to learn, and we can learn together. There is something that we can support them while they are learning, and there is something that they can support us while we are learning. And we can act together as a symphony all together. This is the meaning of our life with our dogs. We can be grateful and appreciate them for what they give us, and also be ready because they will live this life before us, probably because their life is shorter than our life. And so we can learn how to let them go. Because we are not losing them, they are just changing. When my boxer was alive, she was always with me, but now she is still always with me. I cannot touch her, that's for sure, but I can feel her, and I can feel her love as if she was with me. I was completely a different person, and I have a degree on maths. I worked with software. I was a very brain-oriented person. But then suddenly, my boxer, she died. And the pain was so huge that I started crying. And then 6 months passed. And yeah, I got used to the pain. But the pain was still there. And then, because of another dog, my border collie, something happened and I met a person that she needed. And that person was speaking about something that my son did. Oh well, I told this person that my boxer, that my son could still see my boxer. And he said something to me. And so I don't know why, I called the person that I knew, was not a friend, was just a person, and I said, could you please explain that to me? And she was a detailer, and she explained to me. And then she could just do something with the energy of my boxer when she sent her to the light of Creator. And I felt immediately better. And I realized that it was 6 months that I couldn't breathe. And starting from this day, I realized that I had a gift because I lost a dog, but I got a real friend. And then I started my journey in detailing, and I started seeing angels, speaking with angels, and doing healings. But my boxer is still with me. She is still my friend as she was before. She can love me, we can love each other, and we can go on in our life. And she is always with me, no matter where I am. So they stay just some years with us, but then they stay with us for all our life, if we want. There are a lot of information about them because they are so full of love that they can help us in very incredible ways, like my dogs did with me, because they opened the door so to create the coincidences that opened my mind and my heart. And I want to help you understand them a little bit better. The first thing that I can tell you is that they can heal and they can absorb our energy and clean our energy and help us. But their way of cleaning is taking what doesn't work on our energy and putting in them energy in their field, putting on them. So they are absorbing everything and they are not able to clean themselves. And this is the first thing that we can do for them. Is cleaning their space. We can clean their space using something, everything we like. We can use something like that, or we can use a stone, a crystal, we can do energy healing, we can do everything we want. What I will teach you today is how to clean their space through meditation. Just remember that we are energy as they are, and that energy is everywhere, no matter of the place, no matter of the time. Energy is everywhere. So if we do the healing and we clean their space through the energy instead of through smoke, that will work everywhere and in every time. We just need to put the intention of what we want to do, okay? And so it can be done in a great way. Why are dogs and cats, more dogs and cats, always loving us so much? Because they don't have ego like we have. We have an ego, then we have a higher self, and then we have a soul. And the more aligned we are, the simpler it is for us to see what we should do and to do our life in the easy way, in a perfect way, in a joyful way. Because joy is one of the real purpose of life, is living life with joy, is creating our life with joy. And our dogs deserve the same, they can live their lives with joy. But they love helping us. I remember I was in bed with the flu, nothing special, but I was very tired, I had high fever, I should heal myself, but I forgot because I had the flu. And I remember my border collie jumping on the bed and she was lying close to me. And then I could see something black going out from my body, going into her body. And then I feel better. And I realized that she did a healing on me, but I didn't ask her, because if I had to ask for healing for myself, I should ask everything to go to the light, not to go to my dog. So what I did was being thankful for what she did, and then asking the healing for her. And so I sent everything to the light, and then asked the universe to give her more light and more love. And I was thankful. And this is the way which we should think about our dogs, just being thankful for what they're doing for us and helping them to do that in the easier way, in the easiest way that is possible. If their higher self and their soul are aligned, it's simpler for them too. I will guide you now through a short meditation in which we will learn how to clean our space and how to keep aligned ourselves and theirs. But first of all, we need to remember that they have free will as we are. So, how can we do a healing on our animals and being respectful for their free will? Well, we can ask them. We cannot ask with words because they don't understand, but we can communicate with them in a different way. But today we will just put ourselves both into the light of creation, and we will ask our animal to stay with us if they like that, and if they want a healing, or they can just go. And that's okay, maybe they will be ready later, okay? Remember, every time you do a healing on animal and also on a person, also on yourself, remember that you should smile. Because they can feel very much our feelings, and our feelings are very easier if we smile. Everything is simpler, okay? So, just keep a smile on your face, be quiet, everything is simple, everything will be okay. And close your eyes. And now imagine the energy of your heart. And imagine the energy going through your body, your legs, your feet. Imagine to have some big roots coming out from your feet. Imagine the energy to go through the roots until the middle of the earth. And then to go back into your body through your roots, your feet, your legs, going through your back, going out from your head. And now imagine the energy to create a wonderful ball of light that is red. You are in the middle of this red energy. And now this ball of light becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. And why it becomes bigger, it changes the color from red to orange and then yellow. Now it's so big that all the planet is inside the light, and it's still becoming bigger. And now it becomes green and then blue, and it's so big that all the universe is inside your energy. You are in the middle, but this is still growing. And now it's purple, and then it's becoming lighter. Now it's white. This light is completely white. It's so big that everything is inside the light. You are in the middle of the light. But now you can see that the light go through your body, and this white light is also inside your body and still in your heart. So everything inside you and around you is in this wonderful white energy. This is the energy of creation. This is the energy where everything is possible. This is pure love and compassion. There is a big joy here. You are relaxed and joyful and loved. And now imagine that the universe gives you the definition of love. How does it feel to be loved and to love? Imagine a golden light coming from the top, going into your space, your aura, your cells, and everything is now surrounded by this golden light that brings information. And now imagine that your animal is close to you. Could be your dog, your cat, your horse, or everyone you want. Imagine to ask him, to tell him, I'm going to asking the universe to do a healing on you so that you can be cleaned. And if you love that, you can stay or you can go. And I will be grateful in the same way. And now ask the universe to send the feeling of love. And how does it feel to be loved to you, your animal again, so that you can be surrounded together by this golden light. And now let's ask the universe to clean your space and also their space. So imagine to see if there are chains or everything, shadows and everything that they don't need anymore. Ask the universe that everything can be sent to the light and replaced with love. Imagine that you and your animal have a vortex of white energy inside yourself, and ask the universe to make this energy become bigger and stronger. And imagine the vortex growing. As more your energy is strong, as more is impossible that something can attack you. So imagine that while the vortex is becoming bigger, you and your animal can stay quiet in the middle, but at the same time everything that you do not need and that is black or heavy is sent away and go to the light. Now ask the universe to align your ego, your higher self and your soul. Imagine that they are aligned and connected in the middle of the vortex. And now ask the universe to do the same with your animal so that his higher self and his soul could be aligned. And now see that you are in the vortex and are perfect aligned, and that he is in the vortex and is perfect aligned. And say thanks to the universe because it gives you this opportunity. And when you're ready, take a big breath and you can open your eyes. My poodle found a way to open the door, so she is here with us too. We want to thank you for joining us and sharing this opportunity with us. Me and my friend Asia, that you cannot see, but maybe you can see, and I will not be surprised if one day during the meditation someone of you could see her close to me, or maybe some of my dogs that are still with me or that were with me before, okay? And I will be grateful if you tell me if that happened. So thank you very much for listening to that. I will share more video with more information so that we can live better with our dogs and cats. Thank you very much and